Violet says, is your Helium antenna indoors or outdoors? It's indoors right now. And oh man, I mean, my antenna has been, Helium the last week has been on fire for me. Just give me. Yeah, my Helium has been working. I'm not sure if there's just more people using Helium here in Austin, in my neighborhood, all of a sudden, but I've been making more money than prior weeks. Let me pull up my Helium app real quick. All right, so I'll go through what I've been making. So recently I made 222 0.0 3 2 1 2 7 2 2. Okay, hold up. Let me actually add this up here. Okay, so let's say 2 5 7 14 16 18 20 23 25 27. Oh man. 29 31. So I've earned over 30 tokens today. So, and the price of Helium is, pulling up HNT on my screen here. Okay, 172. So doing that math, 172 times, it was like 31. So I've made like 53, let's say 50 bucks today, just with my Helium antenna. Now, if we keep this up for 30 days, that's 1,500 bucks in 1 month, just for plug and play. That's why I love Helium. Helium is like the next best thing to mining Bitcoin back in the early days, right? Because I just plug it in and that's it. Like that's the reason I like Helium. The device costs like 350 bucks or 400 bucks, let's say, right? You can recoup your investment in the first month if you're in a big city. That's the thing, right? So I'm here in Austin. Austin has a huge tech scene, and Helium Network launched in San Francisco, New York, and Austin first. So if you're in those regions, you will make bank, right? And like Helium is such a win. Like you have no idea. Like if you just buy one device and you're in a big city, you just plug it in, and maybe you even buy those big antennas, like the one I have here, that white antenna you guys can see, right there. That antenna cost me like 150 bucks. So let's say, because I bought it when it first came out, the hotspot, which was like 400 or 500 bucks. So let's say like 650 all in all, right? At this rate, the first month, I mean, not the first month, but right now, this month, if I can make over $1,000, if I can make 1,500, and if the Helium price does a 10x, that's easy money. I mean, yes, you could also buy Helium on exchanges, which I have done. I'm not sure if I would buy more, but I think if you're very conservative and don't want to lose your money, if you just buy the device, plug it in, hook it up to an antenna, that's it, walk away, come back 5 years later, I'll shake your hand and say, how's that crypto retirement? Maybe it depends on how much you get, right? But it's such a no-brainer because your cost basis is very, very low. It's like mining Bitcoin, right? Or it's like even mining Ethereum. So to me, it's such a no-brainer.
Token Metrics is a cryptocurrency investment platform that helps users leverage machine learning to become better crypto investors. Our in-depth analysis helps eliminate the emotions of investing, find profitable investment opportunities, and filters out scams. Learn more at tokenmetrics.com. Disclaimer: Token Metrics Media LLC does not provide individually tailored investment advice and does not take a subscriber's or anyone's personal circumstance into consideration when discussing investments, nor is it registered as an investment advisor or broker-dealer in any jurisdiction. Information contained herein is not an offer or solicitation to buy, hold, or sell any security. The Token Metrics team has advised and invested in many blockchain companies. A complete list of their advisory roles and current holdings can be viewed here at tokenmetrics.com/disclosures.